Okay, so today starts a brand new summer series that I am doing with seriously like the best collection of YouTubers ever. I am so excited and happy to have them joining me. You can find a link to all of their channels below, and I highly suggest that you just go through and subscribe to everybody. So the way that this is going to work is June 1st, each YouTuber will have an unboxing video of their kits or collection that they are going to try to kill or totally use up before the end of June. So everyone will have an unboxing video today, and then throughout the month the girls are going to use these kits however they want. If they want to incorporate them into design team projects, they can. If they want to do videos with them, they can. If they don't want to do videos with them and they just want to play with their kit till it's gone, that's fine too. And then on the 30th of June, you will see on everyone's channels all of their layouts that they did with their kits. So there is really no kind of set day, set time for these videos to go up. And I made it that way on purpose because I just wanted this to be fun. I have a really, really huge goal this summer of trying to get into my stash and really use some things up. So I am hoping that by doing this with all of these fabulous girls and having this as part of my summer project and summer videos, that I can really, really, really like just use some stuff up. There's also, they can do any kind of projects they want. They can do cards, they can do TN spreads, they can do pocket pages, they can do scrapbook layouts, like whatever. The point is to use up this stash. So you will probably, what you will see definitely is the kit reveals on everyone's channel today, June 1st, and they might come up as the day goes on. And then you will definitely see layout shares from all of the girls at the end of June. And then whatever they want to do on their channel throughout the month is totally up to them. This is just for fun and just because I had a brainiac idea and decided to run with it, okay? So this is going to be my June kit, and I'm going to kind of walk you through all of the decisions that I made and how I got to where I am. So I went through my stash, and what I discovered was that I had a ton of LA Studio products. Cards and letters and just so much, tons of scraps, but no 12 by 12 papers. So I started with just these scraps of papers and these cards. So these are cards from a ton of different collections by LA Studio. Some of them are from the monthly kits, some of them are from collections. There's some branding strips in here, just lots and lots and lots of just pieces of LA Studio products, right? And I didn't have any 12 by 12 papers, but I had all of these, and I decided that that was what I wanted to use up first. I really wanted to go ahead and get these little bits of LA Studio out of my stash and get them used up. So from there, I kind of went in and thought, well, I should probably get some larger pieces of paper. Paper big enough that I can use for backgrounds or, you know, just different things. And so from there, I found these papers. These are papers from Close to My Heart, and they kind of had the same, if not both sides, at least one side was going with the LA Studio colors. So this particular paper, I ended up buying it in bulk because it was like my favorite paper ever. And look at how much of it I still have left. So I'm thinking that these are going to be my backgrounds for like, oh, maybe all of my layouts. We'll see. I love this paper. It's gorgeous. But I just have a ton of it. And I bought, you know, I loved it. And I knew that if I bought a pack of 25, I probably wouldn't use all 25. But I couldn't buy it in a smaller quantity. And I didn't want the rest of the papers that came in the kit. So this is the rest of the papers that come in this kit. I think this is a really old line from Close to My Heart. It's called Regatta. So, I mean, it's quite old. And so we have just pieces of it. See if I can get you a date. 2015. So yeah. And then these are all the rest of the papers from that Regatta collection. I don't have any embellishments. I don't have any pieces at all from this collection other than the bulk paper that I bought and this pack of paper. But the colors were just perfect for matching these LA Studio bits and pieces. So I decided that, yep, that was what we were going to do. So that gives me a ton of background ideas, paper ideas. And if I don't use all of this background paper, which, my goodness, I'm probably not going to, that's okay, because ideally my goal is to use this. This is what I want to use up from start to finish, all of it. Logan. So from there I knew I needed some embellishments, right? And what do I decide? Just to keep digging and see what other kinds of LA Studio funness I can find. So I found some more scraps, and then I found, this is from 2016. This is a July kit. Okay, so this is an exclusive monthly kit from 2016, and it has like a summer vibe to it, so I'm thinking that it might be from, okay, so there's some sunny days in here. Again, so this is like 2015, 2016. All the cards are here, I think. A good bit of them anyway. So, yes, perfect. We're going to use that. So this is primarily going to end up being an LA Studio kit, which you'll see as I kind of go through. So then I had all of these, I found all these little die cut pieces that are LA Studio. Again, the colors work with this. And then I found more funness. So I have some acrylic stars, I have some vellum pieces, more cards, and I think these are LA Studio, but they could also be from a click kit, I'm not sure. I have a wood veneer. Excuse me. More cards. More cards. So many LA Studio cards, you guys. Like, I was like, really? But we are totally going to use them. I have puffy stickers. I've got these circle stickers. I have these die cuts. I have more die cuts. I have more puffy stickers. I have one set of puffy alphabet stickers, and then these look like they're just like extra packaging, probably from all that other stuff. So I was kind of on this like LA Studio kick, right? And I was thinking about, okay, what else do I have in my stash? Let's see what kinds of embellishments, let's see what kinds of other things I can find. So I knew I needed some lettering options because I just have that puffy sticker. So I went through my lettering options, and look, I found LA Studio number and letter stickers. Like all the colors, all of them. You name a color, I probably have it, plus extra. So yeah, we're going with those. Are you all laughing now? Mm-hmm. So then I remembered that I also have the Title Builder stamp kit from LA Studio. So I have all of the Title Builder stamp set, and I have barely touched this. Like all the veneers are still here. Sorry. All of the acrylics are still here. The only thing I've used a lot are the little stamp set. And I still have I still have the printout sheet saved on my phone with all the different ways you can put these together. So you know what? We're going to toss those in there too for titling options. And then I decided I needed some little sprinkles. And I also knew that I had lots of acrylic. I have a ton of acrylic because I love it and I buy it, and then for some reason I kind of just don't seem to use it. And so I remembered when I pulled out this acrylic that I had more acrylic. So I went ahead and I pulled out some acrylic pieces. So I have this awesome piece. This is from Color Cast Designs, and it says, first day of school. I'd like to get that used on a page. This one is You Are My Sunshine. This is from LA Studio. And while it is broken, they glue together like super duper easy, so I'm not concerned about that. And then I also have this LA Studio acrylic that says Snapshot. And then to add to the kit, I know I like little sprinkles, and I always reach for sequins. I always reach for sequins. But I decided for this kit to grab enamel dots because I have them and I'd really like to use them. So these are the little bitty blings from Close to My Heart. And these two are from, I believe these are Close to My Heart. Yeah, these are both Close to My Heart. Little enamel dots. And then this is from the Eyelet Outlet. So that's my kit. It's kind of ginormous, but that's okay. It gives me a lot of options, lots of things I can pull, lots of photos I can pull and use and do. And I added stamps, so I get my stamping in. I've been really trying to like hone my stamping skills, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I really want to get through some of this Ellie Studio stash because I actually have this rule. This is so funny, but I haven't bought any Ellie Studio stuff since I bought like all of this. Because I don't really want to buy any more until I've used all of this, and I love all this. So that is my plan for my huge giant kit. So please be sure to check down below, subscribe, and grab all the other YouTubers that are doing this with us. You will find tons of ideas for kits, tons of inspiration, and I would love it if you guys would grab a kit or collection from your kit and play along with us. I'm also doing a spending freeze with Christina Sorge. We do them every 6 months, and so we're doing our 4th spending freeze for the month of June. And it is going to be the summer of using your stuff. So, thank you so much for watching today, and have a fabulous, fabulous summer. And I will see you all again with a couple projects, couple YouTube videos, and then a big layout share at the end. Bye!